And Niah daddy this, Niah father this. See him bag ya, that the bag where the scene of the thing. See him watch ya, I know the blood them dip on it. See him chain ya, the blood there if you look good, look. See there? You see? See him ring ya? Yeah. I hate this, said way. Don't know when I'm gonna pay to everybody. But guess what now? Me I say, heart of love go to everybody, everyone who send condolences, family. Saying, I never know say, I saw Niah did love. In the street where drink. I know plenty people who send condolences, never even see Niah. Never even know him apart from on TikTok, and then the next man we say Niah that you know our XYZ. You see me? I'm based off of the situation, you don't know, so we grieve.
Mr. Niah, him have one brother there. On the live and talk to CPR about Niah daughter. You come out and you talk out and you start to look followers off for your brother and all kind of shit. Now, Missy say you start to throw some shit on CPR. No, sir, we do not appreciate that and we do not like that. Because when Niah was alive, we never even did know so him have any family apart from him daughter and him grandmother. It was always him and CPR. So we know for sure and we believe and trust in CPR and we know for sure say Niah and CPR truly agree more than you. You understand me? You run go put tattoo on the eye, me understand. See, me say, brother, but me don't like your attitude and me don't like your style. Your brother drop and in wall we hurt and everybody feel vexed because Niah have more than just friends. Wall we are fans and his supporters. You're over there too. What I'm going about this is the real Niah page. What you gonna do exactly with him over there? Me can tell you something, Mr. Sir. You see, we Jamaican people just be careful because then we take that big platform over there. We not turn on you not get the help, you not get the support, you not get nothing where you want. You're not getting nothing where you think you get. So if you ever come out here and you ever control shade and bother CPR, we are going to cancel you. We are going to X out, we are going to minus, we are going to rub out, we are going to do everything to you out here.
What him there? But what's him no know? Then tell me now, how blame them know say the brown youth they down there walking up and down? Mad.
Because he's getting information.
That is what I was saying. The bias get this just for you see. He getting information. So if somebody come on live and saying something, is that people giving the buy information so the buy will move from there.
Getting information about what's going on.
Hey, me don't know if I'm the one. Me don't know if I'm the one being up on the live with sitting there them bow them. Me not cut them G.
I was there.
Wait.
But me see the brother there move. You see the brother there him a move if he charge. You see me? The man does a move stuttery and weird and cringe. You see me? And at one point me hear man like him a try make Niah look bad. The man dep on yo. Remember when time Niah didn't pity us and give it. Yo, remember when time Niah
Yep.
Niah did we are not that alone. He said. Remember when time one girl say something to him and the man just box down. Me I say, bro, why you try to make the man look bad? Like him on a pussy charge. Yeah, upon the man box down girl and this and that and wait and someone heap of weird shit, bro. That alone when me find him sus wicked. You see me? Now anybody where they in a chat when we are talk about can confirm me, you see it?
Yeah, because yesterday, I swear to God, he looked real guilty yesterday.
Alright, listen, people.
Last night was on the live.
Wait a minute, I'm going to say this. Is the only person I go vouch? I don't want to sound like Niah Crooks.
Crooks, I'm my only dog we see.
Crooks, you won't give Crooks a chance to talk. Crooks, you won't give the chance to talk.
People, listen me. Crooks free dying, okay? But make sure to tell them. Crooks free dying.
But Niah was speaking to Crooks last night. When I was listening,
nah,
I was listening to the words that Crooks keep on repeating.
I don't know if I two of them grew up together or something, you know, from school days. Him and them sound similar as fuck. I don't know if I adapt man.
But why now? Why now as the Sevens boss come and pray that he coming out sounding just like Niah?
Watch you know.
And
When you wake
right
up
next
7
to
bars,
Bobo and Bobo.
when you go wake up in page, when you go wake up in page, when you go over there, go comment and say true believer, I call him. True believer, they live now. Come live more 100 and when you go over there, go wake up in page. Wake it up.
True believer. So how can we get Bubba to be questioned and call him? We want
Alright.
to start taking actions and all this.
Listen
other
now,
stuff.
7 bars. That's why I'm telling you, wake up 7 bars. Wake up 7 bars. You know, 100 down, you go 7 bars page and wake him up.
How do we do that?
Because
Go over 7 bars page, go in the comments, go in one and video them, and you don't stop comment till him wake up.
I see a video
Spam me that. Spam me, isn't it?
on Facebook with the guy.
Spam me, tell him wake up. Tell him say true believer, I call him. True believer, tell him that. This delete, write it, spam that. True believer.
His name is
Believer, can I tell you
7
one more thing that I believe? I believe that a lot of friends is involved in this, you know.
Yeah.
This is bigger than what we feel it is, seriously, and that's why people is hiding. And I'm getting cold, I'm getting chills right now. And believe in me, enough people is involved in this, more than we think. And you getting close, true believer. You getting close, buddy.
I find it.
You getting really close.
I'm finding that.
And last week Sunday, I dreamt of Niah, and Niah was in a dark place, just running. Last week Sunday, I'm telling you, son, I'm getting cold, man. I don't know who could feel this energy there, but this energy is serious. And Niah is speaking to his brother, and who was on that live last night could have feel it, and everybody realized it. And Bobo realized it, so Bobo wanted him to keep quiet because Niah was speaking to his brother.
Listen me.
Go on for
You
it.
see all crooks, what you know? You see all crooks that move paranoid. Every minute they see crooks put him on him head. So. Every minute they see him put him on him head. So every time crooks go so. Rub off his face and I rub off his face. And I
Did anybody record that yesterday?
True believer. I want alone me notice. Make me know say about not.
Hello. Shh. Comment section on the listen.
I want thing alone. Make me sure. If me never sure, me sure. How can a man come in your place and the man come do a video? See me I say dog. And they see him clothes. Not internationally thing they know. People see you all bored. You're not stressed than nobody else. They see him clothes. L.A. Lewis left you in your life, you know. From morning the dog, you know, come. From morning and night come and you're there for your life after 12 you know, the same suit of clothes. You can't be a dog. Right now you're torment. You can't be it. You can't sleep. You can't nothing. And that's it. The ancestor them
Listen me good now. Remember when me come on the live and tell you say Father God see of blue flames is water. Him can't go and die. Every time him go and die, he remember Niah and him skin burn him. Him skin burn him. Every time him go under water. Like right now a fire him want be in deliberate the fire. If him want go in night. He want to walk in night, so cause the water burn him.
But I see a video.
I'm up on the live I text, you know, I see one mom's text me and I say, yo, I pussy that. I say, yo, mama, how you do? Yo, the moms I say, yo, in there and fear watch him man head back and I talk about oh he gone check girl. I say, I said that for they go. You see me? So like moms I try if you say to me say, yo, brother, when I see him cut, when I see him pull up, I take the message of the thing to the dog.
But I see a photo on Facebook just now that this guy would die. He and a boy had a conference, and this guy would die.
You're a true believer.
This guy would die.
Wait, mommy, wait there. I'm here, son of God, I say.
Yeah, man, cause me a boy with a spiritual youth, you know.
Yeah, no, man. God will work with my
universe, same way.
Yeah, man, a universe give you all energy, man, all answer, man. Remember that.
Yes, where L.A. Lewis condo. Enough people don't know, enough people don't understand, you see me? That a reality. You see the part of L.A. Lewis, I change. The part when blow the rum.
And him I change.
Call the ancestors them. You see me? You see Niah. Niah there in my yard right now. You see, all our inner Niah thing,
Hey.
them themselves are gonna come out.
Hey.
Them themselves are gonna come out. Bobo are the first one.
Hey.
Bobo are the first one. But there me I talk to up on the live youth and you don't even know how I feel right now. The blood around cold. You hear that my dark I know. You hear that. And then I do when fear doing so I not to go light no fire. I not to go bust no beer. I not to broke no coconut. I not to light no candle.
Yeah, I not to bury no stone and not to pull no lock with no name.
You hear that. I not to go